Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is AZREEN binti Kamis.
And I am NURFATHISYA binti Mama RASID.
Chapter 2. Firstly, equal to mean, open the bracket, select age range, close the bracket and enter. Number 2 equal to sum, open the bracket, select savvy range and enter. Number 3 equal to count, select ID range and enter. Number 4 equal to count if, select loan purpose range, select education and enter. Number 5 equal to count if, select must employed table range, type less symbol, type 10 and enter. For number 6 equal to count ifs, select loan purpose range, select education, select age range, type more symbol and equal symbol, type 30 and enter. Lastly, number 7 equal to sum if, select loan purpose range, select furniture, select saving range and enter. For question B1 and B2 equal to if, select the first saving account column, type less, type 250, type low, type high and enter. Double click to see the following result. For C1 equal to if n, select this equal to low, select must employed first column, type less, type 24, type high risk, type dash and enter. Double click to see the following result. Lastly, for C2 equal to if n, select F4 equal to height, select must employed first column, type more symbol, type 60, type low risk, type dash and enter. Double click to see the following result. For D1 equal to VLOOKUP, select this, select table range, type 2 because of this position, type false and enter. For D2 equal to VLOOKUP, select this, select table range, type 3 because of this position, type false and enter. Lastly, D3 equal to VLOOKUP, select this, select table range, type 4 because of this position, type false and enter. Chapter 3. Select any range and insert pivot table, click OK. Drag my customer ID and must employed to the filter and drag gender to the column and drag age to the value and change the value to count and then click loan purpose to row and insert pivot chart, click OK and insert slicer, click marital status and housing, click OK. Using the slicer, you can choose what you want to see.
Chapter 4. Moving on to the next question for Chapter 4. First, calculate the data for checking account. Mean equal to average, select data and enter. Variance equal to var.s, select data and enter. Standard deviation equal to stdev.s, select data, enter. Coefficient of variation equal to standard deviation over mean. For coefficient of skewness equal to SKEW, select data and enter. Lastly, for coefficient of kurtosis equal to KURT, select data and enter. As for saving account, I use the same formula as checking account. However, as for the data, I select the data for saving account instead of checking account. As you can see here, for coefficient of variation, checking account has the greatest dispersion, while savings account has the least dispersion. As for coefficient of skewness, both variables are positive and highly skewed to the right. For coefficient of kurtosis, both variables are peaked with less dispersion. Next is to calculate z-scores and outliers. The formula for z-score is equal to standardized, x, mean, and standard deviation. Then I sort the z-score from smallest to largest. Then insert scatter plot for the z-score. For outliers more than 3, the formula is equal to if the z-score is more than 3, therefore there is outliers, and no outliers if the z-score is less than 3. For outliers less than -3, equal to if the z-score is less than -3, therefore there is an outlier, and vice versa. As you can see here, there are 16 outliers, and I have highlighted all of the outliers here. Lastly is to calculate descriptive statistic using data analysis. Click data analysis, choose descriptive statistic. As for the input range, select the data for both checking and saving account. Then choose labels in first row, new worksheet, summary statistic, confidence level for mean, largest, smallest, and click OK. This is the result by using data analysis.